if you want to control or manipulate your Pixtel data. Manage Data makes it simple and secure. Here I have some Pixtel data. In menu bar, you'll find the tools. Here you'll have Manage Data option, which offers choices like Backup, Cloud Backup, Restore Backup, Relocate Data, and Cleanup Data. The Cloud Backup feature will be coming soon. Let's walk through how each of these features works. Starting with Backup Data, you can create a secure copy of your Pixtel files. When you select Backup Data, it will automatically use the directory name Pixtel Data along with the current timestamp. You can rename it if you wish and provide a meaningful description. Here, you'll see the size and number of files, and Pixtel will suggest a default destination folder. If you want to change the destination, click the File Explorer icon to select your preferred folder. You can also check the available space on your selected drive. After clicking Backup, all your files will be backed up and you'll receive a success message. You can then find the backup folder within the Pixtel Data folder, containing all your backups. Next, there's Restore Backup. This feature allows you to import data or migrate backup data to another machine without losing files. Just select Restore Backup and choose your backup folder. You'll see the size, number of files, and available space. After restarting the application, your current Pixtel data will move to a snapshot folder, ensuring nothing is lost. Upon clicking Restore, the backup data is copied to Pixtel. You'll need to restart your Pixtel application. Within the file, you'll find the Quit option. Once you restart your application, your current Pixtel data will be stored in the snapshot directory. The backup data is restored to Pixtel, keeping everything exactly as it was. Next, the Cleanup Data will help to remove old backups or snapshots you no longer need. To clean up data, select it and you'll see a confirmation message. You can choose to remove snapshots, backups, or both. By clicking Cleanup Data, all your backups and snapshots will be erased. Relocate Data is useful if your disk is full or if you want to move your Pixtel data to another drive. Click Relocate Data and select the new destination folder. You can view the size, number of files, and available space on the selected drive. After clicking Relocate, all your Pixtel data will be moved to the chosen drive, and you'll need to restart the application. Managing your data with Pixtel is as simple as working with any of your files. Backup, restore, relocate, cleanup, all with ease. Just Pixtel it. It isn't just a tool, it's Pixtel.